Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Place the base enclosure onto the notebook and apply pressure around the edges to secure it into place. Turn the notebook over and open the display panel. Starting near the webcam, carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Lift the display panel off of the display enclosure and place it onto the top cover. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel. Release the retention bar and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the touchscreen board and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the touchscreen board. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.